How could such an immense, majestic bird vanish completely from Earth? For millions of years, New Zealand's isolated islands fostered unique life. Among them, the colossal giant moa reigned, a bird unlike any other. These flightless giants were the dominant herbivores, shaping the landscape.
The giant moa was truly an evolutionary marvel, a bird that defied typical understanding. Imagine an ostrich, but much larger, with no wings, and living in a temperate rainforest.
Some species stood over 3 meters tall, weighing over 250 kilograms.
9 distinct species evolved, each adapted to specific ecological niches. Their feathers were primitive, more like hair, perfectly insulating them. For eons, they lived without mammalian predators, a world of peace. Only the mighty Haast's eagle posed a threat, primarily to their young.
The giant moa had a long lifespan, perhaps 50-60 years, but reproduced slowly.
A single, large egg laid at a time, making each one precious.
Then, around 1250–1300 AD, a new presence arrived.
Polynesian voyagers, ancestors of the Māori, landed on Aotearoa.
Our ancestors arrived, seeking new lands, new resources, new beginnings.
They brought their knowledge, their tools, and their deep connection to the land.
And there, they encountered something truly extraordinary. The giant moa. A giant bird, a living legend, a source of awe and, crucially, sustenance.
The new arrivals quickly spread across the islands, establishing settlements.
Everywhere they went, they found the giant moa.
The moa represented an abundant, easily accessible food source.
Hunting the giant moa was a strategic community effort.
Despite its size, the giant moa was slow, flightless, and naive to predators.
Its long evolutionary history left it unprepared for human hunting techniques.
Our ancestors developed effective tools like the hoke or koe for the hunt.
Every part of the giant moa was utilized. Nothing wasted.
Meat for food, bones for tools and ornaments, feathers for clothing. The giant moa provided the very building blocks of their new society.
Archaeological sites reveal the staggering scale of the early moa hunts.
Massive bone middens, filled with thousands of giant moa remains, tell a stark story. Clear evidence of systematic butchery, every bird a valuable resource.
It was not just about survival. It was about thriving in a new land. Even the immense moa eggs were a prized food, cooked in earth ovens.
Beyond hunting, humans began altering the moa's habitat through fire. Clearing land for agriculture and settlement inadvertently destroyed moa forage.
The combination of hunting pressure and habitat loss was devastatingly effective.
Within a mere 2 centuries, the vast populations began to plummet. The once abundant giant moa became increasingly rare, pushed to the brink.
It was a tragic consequence, but one our ancestors likely did not foresee.
For millions of years, the giant moa reigned supreme, a king in an isolated, predator-free realm. But isolation also meant vulnerability. A new, sophisticated predator was on the horizon.
Around 1250 to 1300 AD, the first Polynesian voyagers sighted Aotearoa.
They were skilled navigators, carrying their culture and knowledge across vast oceans. Their arrival marked the beginning of a profound transformation for this ancient land. They had never encountered a predator like humans. Their natural defenses were non-existent.
Our excavations reveal the immediate impact. Moa bones become prevalent in early settlement sites.
Maori hunters quickly recognized the moa's vulnerability and its immense potential as a resource.
Millions of years of evolution without mammalian predators meant no fear response.
Hunting techniques like pit traps and snares were adapted for these large, flightless birds.
The moa wasn't just food. Its bones, feathers, and eggs were invaluable to early Māori. Tools for woodworking, weapons, ornaments te awhau. Moa bone was versatile and strong.
Moa eggs provided substantial protein, crucial for survival in a new environment.
The moa's large size and slow reproductive rate made it particularly susceptible.
Evidence of the hunt is etched into the very landscape and culture of Aotearoa. Mass burial sites, moa hunter camps, tell a stark story of intense exploitation. These sites reveal not just consumption, but systematic processing and resource management.
Within just 200 years of human arrival, at least 9 species of moa were extinct.
The larger species, like the giant moa, were targeted first, their numbers dwindling rapidly.
Habitat destruction, coupled with relentless hunting, sealed their ultimate fate. Even the smaller, more elusive moa species couldn't escape the relentless pressure.
The moa's extinction was a profound loss, altering the very fabric of Aotearoa's ecology.
It reminds us of the power we wield over the natural world, for good and for ill.
The story of the moa is a powerful lesson in conservation and sustainable interaction with nature.
Though gone, the giant moa's legacy continues to echo through the land it once called home.